Sink and go, sink and go, sink and go. Squeeze. Nice job. I'm going to show you what that right knee is doing, okay?
I can't.
I know. I'm going to show you in a second. Good job. Keep going, keep going. I'll show you in a minute. Just finish up, though. Finish up. It's like you sink. When you sink your hips below your waist, that's when your knees go in. You want to have a good solid base at it. Keep your core super tight. Nice job. Nice job. Going one more through. Sink your hips. Drop your hips more, Jill, if you can. Sink into that squat. Good set. Good set. Good set. Nice job. That's awesome right there. Core super tight. Good job, guys. Sink it, Amrish. Good work. Sink it. Nice job. Fire it out. 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 Nice job. Nice job. There you go, Ash. Way to work. 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 Way to work.